Oh my. All right, so let's see. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Team Kello. What?
Today we're going to be reviewing the Kodiak Cakes Flapjack and Waffle mix.
Yes.
Wow, that is a name and a half. We're going to be tasting this product for you. This is what we do to take care of you guys. Make sure you guys know that
Sacrifice.
We're sacrificing our taste buds for your entertainment. So, Alex, you want to tell us a little bit about this product?
Sure. So we went to Costco, and as we were browsing, I've heard a lot about this product. If you have a chance to pick it up, please do that. I personally like the product. We're not paid for this sponsorship, so we're truly giving you our honest opinion.
And how much was this box?
It was about $10. Yeah, they had it on sale. It is supposed to be a protein pancakes for my people who are out there working out and you're trying to get that nutritious value. This is the pancake mix for you. We're gonna taste the flavor. So according to this, there are various recipes and ways that you can do to increase the amount of protein. So by itself, if you make it and you mix it with water, it has about 14 grams of protein.
That's pretty good. So 14 grams just with water by itself. I mean,
yes.
If you want to stay lean like me.
Yeah. For me, we might step it up a notch. If you use a little bit of milk, you basically are stepping it up to about 18 grams of protein. For anyone out there who works out and lives their life by protein, you know how important this is.
I have a question for you.
Yes.
As you know, most pancakes you add eggs to.
Yeah.
So what if I add an egg? Is there any benefits to this?
Yes. So if you add an egg, we all know that egg also is a high protein item. If you combine them, you get a total of 21 grams of protein.
Wow.
That is a lot of protein.
In one serving?
In one serving.
Wow,
Yes.
that's
so the other thing that I wanted to mention is that these cakes are whole grain. Whole grain.
100%.
100% whole grain. I read the box and the instructions, and it surely is. There are additional things in the back, so check it out for additional menu options. They have French toast. You can make biscuits.
Ooh, I like
you can
that.
actually make pie crust with this thing. It's very versatile, so for those of you who want to buy a batter and has that versatility, something to check it out. One of the things that I want to mention is for all those of you out there, read the instructions for every single item you buy. As you know, this item is protein. There's a lot of different sources of protein. Milk is included in here, so if you are lactose intolerant, then this is something to look at just in case. Just I want to make sure that you're out there.
All right, we're going to put it to the test, and we'll let you know how this tastes in a few minutes. You ready to go?
Let's go.
So in spirit of competition, we're actually going to do two batters today. So I will take care of the healthy water base, and you will do
the high protein. So we want to taste the different flavors too to see how they kind of feel with the egg. The egg definitely adds some of that. Listen to that sound.
The box actually comes with different packets. You actually can separate them. So you can open one, and then this stays closed for freshness for many weeks, and then you can go back and open another one. So this is a good.
We're not gonna open two to make two different batters. We're gonna open one.
Let's pick this up.
Wet ingredients. Let's start mixing. Oh my.
You're not supposed to move. Alex is making a mess, as you can see.
There's still lumps. Oh my God. Okay, so one of the things that we realized is the milk one takes a little bit longer.
Yeah, so
to
just
get the lumps
get a
out.
little blender or
No blender. You need like a mixer or a sifter in order to get it right. You cannot blend this.
All right, guys. So we are here in the second step, which is gonna put the pancakes in the stove.
We're gonna add a little bit of cooking spray.
All right, let's go.
I'm gonna do that. Just the consistency of mine, because I added an egg. I want you to see.
Pretty good. I like it. I'm happy with mine. With
I guess
water.
the extra egg kind of, I mean not the extra, but the egg added a little bit of difference. I'm gonna add a little bit of mine. See how it goes. It's really watery.
And then I'm gonna add a little bit of this one.
Wow, that looks more like an actual pancake.
We're gonna make 2 of each, and then we'll try it out and see how it goes.
So here you go. Time to flip it. So go ahead and flip yours. Let's see how it's gonna.
Chef. Wow,
Look
nice.
at this. All right, so time to
turn.
flip mine.
Okay, I see you, Chef. Wow,
Whoa.
very nice.
Nice.
So it's looking pretty good.
So one of the tips that they say when you see the batter kind of boiling at the top, it's time to change it. So depending on the thickness of the pancake, it could be like a minute or 2. I know mine is pretty thin. It's a little watery down because I added the egg. So please know that mine looks a little bit. I mean, by the way, these hex clad pans are amazing. If you want to see that video, right there, you can see us testing the hex clad pans right there.
So you ready to taste?
Let's taste them.
Let's taste. All right, guys. So we just finished cooking it, and we're about to go and get the taste test ready.
Yes. So we're not gonna add any kind of sweeteners. We're just gonna go straight out and taste the flavor of the cake. All right. So let's see. It definitely tastes like whole grain.
Yeah, good flavor. It's
good flavor.
feels healthy.
Adding a little bit of something sweet.
Yeah, you can add like
Maple
fruits.
syrups, fruits right into the batter. It will actually make it a little bit better.
It's now time to taste yours. This one has a mixture of soy milk
Yeah.
and eggs. Mine was with 14 grams of protein. This one is supposed to have 21 grams of protein.
Let's see if the flavor actually
Improves?
Definitely. Okay. I actually like the egginess. You can also taste it. I like it. Kodiak Cakes. Thumbs up? Thumbs down? It's a thumbs up for Kodiak Cakes. Great job. It has whey protein. It is whole grains. So for those of you out there, you know that's good for digestion. You know, that's my thing. I want to make sure that I stay regular.
Good work.
It's always good. It's always good.
All right, guys. This has been the review of the Kodiak Cakes, Flapjack, and Waffle Mix.
So don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of these amazing reviews.
And smash that like button because that tells us that you like our content. And if you have any additional comments, if you tried this product in the past, or you know someone has, let us know in the comments below. Signing out, Team Kello.
What?